It is absolutely beautiful out tonight. 72 degrees. Definitely prefer this over the heat that we've had. Hey Mama, ready to eat? Usually she won't move for them when they're nursing, even though she wants the treats. All the rest of the cows will come, but she'll just wait. Oh well. We'll see if she'll come. She was like, girls, you're gonna have to follow me. Hey Gertie. Oh my goodness. You are a potato. She's gonna try to steal my bucket. Oh goodness. Let's see. Are you coming, Mama? Come on, girly girls. You ready to eat? How are you this evening? It's very hard to do this one-handed. Okay, there you go. Stay in there for a second, girly. Usually I have Clara eat in the barn, but obviously it's occupied by her daughter that does not need to eat anymore because she's obviously a little bit overweight. And this is the new calf that I got. Her name's Sage. Oh my goodness, you are adorable. Come here, baby girl. She's so friendly. But, oh, these horseflies. Nasty. Hey, Valley, how are you doing? What you up to tonight? Gonna lick my phone? What are you doing, Gertie? That is not food. Just gonna, no, get back. Wow. Oh my goodness. I have to keep these cows from eating plastic bags. No, it's not food. I don't know if it's with most cows, but she likes eating plastic. And usually I don't have her in the barns. I have grain all over your face. Is that a mixture of grain and milk? Delish. No. Sorry, Gertie. You just can't eat the grain. I'm gonna go check the water. Make sure they have plenty. Because they like drinking water. It's weird. Try to check it every day just because, you know, I don't know, maybe something wild will happen and I'd prefer nothing wild to happen. Oh my goodness, it's so beautiful. Oh, the beautiful blue sky, the green grass, and the clouds. It's perfect. This happens to anyone else who feed their cows black oil sunflower seeds, but I have plants just growing all over the field. It's quite beautiful, but I don't know. If you feed your cows black oil sunflower seeds, does this happen to you? Hey Sage, you are just the sweetest. Just gonna lick my hand. She is such a sweetie. Not the bucket again. Oh, and the bag. Okay, wow. It's like you're team tagging. Tag teaming, not team tagging. Well, you better get out of here before they eat all my bags and buckets. But that's the whole of them. No buckets. No. I just thought I'd show you the herd together and kind of what it looks like when I feed them in the evening. Pretty much looks the same in the morning, a little different. I love the girls. They're pretty chill sometimes. Sometimes the Jersey comes out in them, but let me know what you think, and yeah, maybe I'll make a video of my morning routine. Anyway, comment subscribe. Let me know what you think, of course, and I'll see you in the next video.